What's going on, you guys? Romeo Man of Mystery here, and today I have an original Game Boy, 1989 DMG Game Boy. No backlit screen, but the thing's beautiful, looks beautiful, great condition, by the way. I mean, this thing is just great condition, no lines, no vertical lines, thing's beautiful. Let me see if I can get, oh yeah. But the problem is almost every single original Game Boy has a super scratched up screen. I don't know how well you can see it. There you go. Look at that, man. So I have a replacement screen that you're supposed to put on a Game Boy. This is glass. Now, the original is plastic, but you want to put a glass one on instead of plastic. It's like $2 more, and glass is more scratch resistant, more durable, lasts longer. It's just better. You know what I mean? So all you're really going to need is some Q-tips, some isopropyl alcohol. The higher percentage, the better. I have 99%, which is, I think, the highest you can get. I know in some countries, they don't sell 99%. They only sell like 70. It's kind of weird, but here they do. So, boom. And the goo, the old adhesive that was on the original Game Boy can sometimes be stubborn, so you can get something to scrape it off, but I don't think I'll need that. And be very careful not to scrape the plastic, but it is important to get all the old goo off. That way, when you put the new replacement screen on, it's not leaving some residue sticking to that instead of the plastic. So let's go ahead and do that. Well, there's my complete replacement of the screen. Works beautifully. I can see it so much clearer now, so much better. It's just all around a better screen. There's a lot less scratches, so you know your view is just so much better. There's no flaws. I love it. It's a little darker than the original. I actually have the original right here, and just look at how messed up and scratched that was. I mean, jeez, man. Okay, perfect, and it's very beautiful. Let's go to my 30 save file, go down, woo! Like, subscribe, share, follow for post notifications, and bye.